In this video, I will show you how you can get the most optimum keywords for any topic that you can use for your YouTube video title or keyword-filled tags in just a few seconds. To use ChatGPT, you need to first register and open an account with OpenAI's site. Then go to this chat.openai.com website. In this ChatGPT dashboard, we need to ask ChatGPT to get keywords based on the topic of our YouTube video. Here, my topic is Verify if Instagram account is hacked. Based on this content, keywords filled title for my video. Once I type in the question field and click, you can see in a fraction of seconds, I am given so many keyword-filled title options for my YouTube video, which are mostly concentrated on verifying and safekeeping of Instagram account. I can again ask ChatGPT to come up with just one or two short keywords based on the above topic. And again, there I have it, all the shorter two-worded keywords for my YouTube video. Now we have a set of keywords on Instagram hacking. Yet we can ask ChatGPT to get other keywords that are not mentioned above, but with specifying the terms associated with security and analysis. And there goes ChatGPT, in no time, typing the keywords based on my input, one by one. Here, we get a new set of keywords that are based on prevention of Instagram hacking. Like this, we can keep asking ChatGPT to try to come up keywords for any topic. Constantly directing ChatGPT with a set different instructions can get better results for our YouTube video keyword research. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.